Where does the name for Penmon come from? So today I'm in Anglesey and I'm in a place called Penmon. Let's get into the name. Pen in Welsh means head, but figuratively also the top or even a hill. And Morn is the Welsh name for Anglesey. Its name likely shares the same ancient root as mynydd in Welsh, mons in Latin, mountain in English, and man, like the Isle of Man, a word that may mean simply raised land or an island rising out of the sea. And here at the eastern tip of Anglesey is Penmon, the headland of Morn. Its history stretches back to the 6th century when Saint Ceiriol founded a monastery here on land granted by his brother, Penmon, King of Llyn. Around it grew a Christian community, marked by 2 great stone crosses at the gate. One still stands inside the church today, a 10th century shaft carved with frets and plates. In time, Ceiriol himself retreated to Ynys Ceiriol, or Puffin Island, as a hermit, but his presence lingered. A holy well nearby, long believed to have healing powers, still bears his name. The monastery did not escape violence. In 971, Vikings destroyed much of Penmon, yet fragments endured such as the decorated font and the carved crosses. Rebuilding came in the 12th century under Gruffydd ap Cynan and his son, Owain Gwynedd. By the 13th, under Llywelyn the Great, Penmon had become an Augustinian priory, with the church and conventual buildings that survive in part today. After the conquest of Wales by Edward I, the priory lingered on until the dissolution of the monasteries in 1538. Its estates passed to the Bulkley family of Beaumaris, who built a deer park here and added the great dovecot that still rises nearby. The church, however, never fell silent. It remains a parish church to this day. Step inside and the centuries are layered one upon the other. An early Christian class, an Augustinian priory, a Tudor estate, and now a village parish. So the name literally means the top of Morn, the top of Anglesey. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.